Welcome back to Orange Hat Reviews, everyone. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. So it seems that the Birds of Prey movie has failed in the box office. It is looking to fail in the box office, and the writer for the comics Birds of Prey, she saw it. Her name's Gail Salome. She absolutely loved it. And you know what? If she likes it, that's fine. But it was her take to Twitter, slow descent into madness, that I'm going to be talking about. You see, because this movie is failing in the box office, she's blaming men for the most part. And she is, even though the stats have covered that Birds of Prey was mostly viewed by men, so, yeah, she continues to push the narrative that men didn't go to see it, men hate the movie, men are sexist pigs and all that stuff. So she does this huge string of tweets with the most god awful pictures. I mean, they're just grotesque, of some weird, twisted, stuffed animal looking pink and blue and green teddy bear. I don't know what the hell they are. I'm not going to show you. But I am going to read some of your tweets of basically how she perceives people who didn't like the movie. And I'm going to read you these. And then I'm basically going to, well, most of you should be able to get the idea, but I'm still going to explain a little bit of it. Accepting applications for girlfriends must keep trim, must love animal or anime, will not work out, or will not work outside the home, doesn't leave the house without permission, doesn't have skanky friends, must dress sexy at all times, no unnatural hair colors. So, her first perception of the people who don't like Birds of Prey: sexist, obviously, domineering, and basically a womanizer. Okay? So that's her first, or that is her first reaction or perception of men that didn't like the movie. She writes all these in all caps, by the way. So in all caps, it must be either true or she really needs people to read it or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, if Bernie doesn't get the nod, I am writing in Charizard. I don't know. If people want equality so much, why isn't White History Month a thing? Did you ever think of that? LOL. Checkmate, SJWs. So she's basically mocking people in the Phantom Menace who prefer to people or refer to those who are woke as SJWs, because they are. They're social justice warriors. And they want everything their way or the highway. Now, what she is or she thinks that we want a White History Month. It's like, no, I don't even think a Black History Month is fitting to black people, because it's kind of a disservice. Kind of like what Morgan Freeman said. You're going to relegate his history to a month? But yeah. Everything must cater to my limited taste and experience, or else it is woke. And that is worse than Stalin, because god damn it, everything should be jerking petrol. Whatever, woman. Here's the thing. I don't want everything to cater to my tastes and experience. I wouldn't call them limited. I'm actually open to new things. But I don't want to go to the movies and feel like I'm being preached at, which is what most of these woke movies do, and which is kind of what Birds of Prey did. I won't say it did it a lot, but it still did it. Still basically said men need to work on their misogyny, and men are pigs. Like I said in other videos, Ewan McGregor didn't help his case in this, or didn't help with his takes on marketing. God damn it, now my effing bitch mom says if I don't get a job and start paying rent, then I should at least help clean the house. God damn it, mom. Or god damn it, mom, you effing bitch. Feminism is a disease, and that is why asking me to use your preferred pronouns is a hate crime. Oh, jeez. Let's go to the mom thing. So basically, she's saying that anybody who didn't like it are not just womanizing, sexist, and whatnot. They're also Bernie supporters. I'm not a Bernie fan, but whatever. Also, I live in my mom's basement. I don't live with my mom. I also do pay rent, clean the house, and other stuff. I'm actually partner with my landlady to look after the other people who live in this house. It's a 24-hour job for the most part. And that is why asking me to use your preferred pronouns is a hate crime. Oh, jeez. Thing is, I do use people's preferred pronouns as long as they fall under the he and she purview. Because otherwise, I will not cater to a person's delusion that they are anything less than human. It's just the way I believe, folks. I'm sorry, I'm not changing my beliefs to suit your feelings. I don't know who that guy is, but I like the cut of his chub. I don't know. I have never been on a date or had genuine friendship with a woman, yet still feel supremely confident in insulting every aspect of the appearance and sexuality and history. And one time a girl said hello to me and I peed, like literally just peed all over, like pants gusher. How? Wow. Let's see here. Let's see how long. I mean, it just goes on, folks. It literally goes on and on. From yesterday to today, or to. This has been going on since the 16th. What's today's date? I think it's the 20th. This has been going on for freaking 4 days, man. She's just been going off and on, or on and on and on and on and on. Oh my gosh. And these photos are just grotesque. And there are some people who actually responded to her. A friend of mine, Steve Kenobi, did one of your cats die? That was actually a pretty good counter. It looks like someone didn't renew their prescription. Is this what it looks like inside your head, Gail? It looks like a petting zoo of the damned, and the writing of a very broken and damaged mind for the damaged of the damned. Wow. I mean, some people are being kinder about it. You've got issues. Maybe take some time off. And that was Zion Waters. There's just a lot, it's wow. I mean, there are some people who support her take because people continue to bash us if we don't like their movies. Elizabeth Banks bashed men. Freaking Kristen Stewart bashes men all the time. You got Brie Larson bashing men. You got Amber Heard claiming that 340,000 people that signed the petition to cancel her are all sexist. So you're saying that all men signed that? I'm willing to bet some women did. But yeah, folks, this woman has some issues. I mean, it just goes on and on. There's like dozens of these tweets. I'm not kidding. There's dozens of them. And they're all full of crap. They all basically show this woman's... I mean, she is literally kind of snapping like Harley Quinn at this point. I honestly hope that she does get the help she needs. And I hope that her work also recognizes her hatred that she is spewing all over Twitter, because I think that her work should be aware of it, but I don't think they'll do anything about it because most the comic book industries, especially the superhero comic book industries, tend to keep on pushing the woke narrative as well, so I don't think they'll do anything about it. But if they had a shred of respect and decency, I think they would put her on leave. Now, am I asking that she be put on leave? I'm actually asking that DC Comics uh, give her a warning at least. I mean, or it's like you're entitled to your opinion, but if you're going to start attacking people that are potential consumers, we don't want you doing that. I mean, yeah, she's attacking people. Some of the people that saw the movie, actually, a lot of the people that saw the movie, are comic book viewers. They read the comics and whatnot. Anyway, folks, that's not good business, and that is the video. You all know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Let me know down in the comments below what you all think about all of this nonsense. Do you think that this woman needs psychological help? Do you think she should get a warning from her bosses? What do you think should happen? Anyway, I don't take part in cancel culture. I think she should at least get psychological help, maybe be put on leave. I mean, she could write whatever she wants in the comic. That's up to them. But anyway, folks, leave all your thoughts in the comments below. This has been Orange Hat Reviews. Catch you all on the next one.